What's up, YouTube? ThaCarBoiz back here with another video, and today I'm bringing y'all a video because we're changing the look on the outside of the TL today. So we're gonna be just basically be plasti dipping the wheels. I'm gonna be cleaning them and then spraying a few coats of plasti dip on them just to give the outside of the car a little different look until I get everything, you know, fixed and all that. So I just want to do something, throw a video out here for you guys to watch and stuff like that. And yeah, it's gonna change the look, make the car look a lot better. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm painting them black, not a crazy color, nothing like that. I'm just plasti dipping them straight, flat black. I'm not even gonna clear them, nothing like that. I've already started on the other side over there, but I'm gonna record this side for you guys so you guys can see that. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also turn on your boy post notifications to be notified every time I upload a new video. And other than that, man, let's go ahead and get into the video. Swipe. Okay, so what I'm basically gonna be doing now is using some of this cleaner to clean these wheels. I tried to clean them as best as I could at the wash yesterday, but it didn't do as good as I thought it was. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this cleaner and clean the wheels right now. So I'm gonna start the time lapse and let you guys see that. Best as I can, I'm gonna go ahead and start spraying this plasti dip. Plasti dip, flat black. First, let me put the bag right there. Hold on 1 second. Okay, now that I have the bag right there, now we can go ahead and start applying this plasti dip. Curse your hand, I'll tell you that right now. Got this all sprayed in. I'm gonna let this dry, see if I need to spray a little bit more and stuff like that. But other than that, I'm gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna get right onto that real, and yeah. Okay, now we have both sides officially painted. I'm gonna walk around to the other side. Oh, my phone's about to die. Hold on, you guys. But here's the other side, blacked out. And I'm gonna do this trim in a second. Let me just put my phone on a charger for a couple minutes, and I'll get back to that trim. But as you can see, they are painted now. And I'm about to put my phone on the charger, and I'm coming back to the trim.